Okay, I'm going to fire up one of the songs I'm working on right now and show you how I can add a track of this in there, how it'll sound pretty cool. Here we go.
You said if I believe in you, everything's possible to do. You said that you would love me. You said that you would love me.
That's how it's done. This rain stick is also made out of cactus. It's larger in diameter and gives a different tone. I believe the beans inside of it are smaller, or it's like a sandy kind of material. Listen. Pretty nice, huh? You can also use this one as a shaker. It's a more gentle sound. All right, now I'm going to use this rain stick on a different song that I'm working on right now. It's a slower song, and I want you to hear the difference in the tone. Here we go.
If I had one wish and knew it would come true, it would be to have the Savior come to you. And when you wake up,
Isn't that pretty?